To look at Fedor Emelianenko outside the cage, you wouldn't think you were looking at the greatest fighter in the history of mixed martial arts. But appearances can be deceiving.
The former heavyweight champion goes down to the most dominant heavyweight fighter on the planet. Good night, Arlovsky. What a knockout! Fedor continues to reign supreme.
Fedor's record is so impressive, he can only be described one way: the Emperor of MMA. Just don't tell that to Brett Rogers.
I respect Fedor, but he's just another man in my eyes.
Bold, brash, powerful. 10 wins, 0 losses. Every one of them a knockout. He is the most exciting heavyweight in the sport, and he's ready to shock the world. In mixed martial arts, there is one undisputed ruler: Fedor. But no empire lasts forever. Now is Brett Rogers ready to assume the throne? Tonight, one man will prove his power and be crowned on the biggest stage in MMA. Saturday Night Fights.